We out here in the aquarium. What do you think of the aquarium?
What?
What's an aquarium? What do you think about this? What do you think about these fish?
I think they're probably smooth as eggs.
Would you eat them in sushi format?
They would, but they're too nice right now.
Oh, okay.
They're too pretty, especially these big ones. Yes.
Yeah. Whoa, look, a shark thing.
That's great.
There's a shark right there.
He just like reached in and pulled out one of those sharks. I was freaking out.
Andrew, transition out.
Oh, look at that.
Yo, shark. I mean, not a shark. I don't know what you are, but.
What is that?
Oh, really? You're a bull.
Still your grab on like
So cool. I'm making a movie right now. I'm a fish documenter.
I'm making a cinema.
Hey, look, I have a little red guy. Look at this.
The biggest one you're gonna see is wait, seriously? The biggest fish you'll see here.
Are you serious?
It has a yolk. That's the white part.
Yeah. So like, unlike humans where you're attached to your baby, sharks like...
No, humans have this like the same sort of thing.
So you could take out the womb, and then the baby will still be like living?
No, I think they would die first.
Oh, look. Jellyfish! They're jellyfish!
A lot of them were like...
Jellyfish. I think they're cool.
No, it's not like bad for you. I'll use it other than right
Justin could totally like get a volunteer thing here.
Oh!
Whoa. What kind of fish is that? Answer, that's a weird fish.
It's a big one.
Is that some sort of swimming dog? Matt, what kind of fish are these?
This is brown dogfish.
Oh. Would you eat them in sushi format?
No.
Oh. I think they're cool.
That's where the sharks are.
Fan. What do you think?
This? Which one? Which one?
Just what are you thinking right now?
I'm thinking about petting sharks.
Let's do it.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm making a film.
Oh, like doing that one thing where it's exposure?
No, I'm just filming a video.
That's a camera though, it's not a video.
No, it's recording.
Oh, what? That's not legit. That's not like one of the cool, like...
Yeah, this is what people do when they film now. They use DSLRs.
Why don't they use like a camera?
Cheyenne's like, people...
Oh, look at this guy.
Oh my god, Cheyenne, don't take it out.
Oh, don't grab it. Yeah.
Big guy? I know.
One just did a barrel roll.
Alright, I'm gonna touch one.
Do it, dude.
Alright, here it goes.
Feel the belly. It'll feel nice.
Get your jacket.
My $200 jacket.
Is that the one that says Gucci on it?
No, can you roll my sleeve up?
how you
My arms away.
guy and then just go.
I don't want to get. Oh, this jacket is waterproof. I did it!
Whoa. They feel so nice.
Whoa, is that like a dead fish right there? It is.
Wait, which one?
Right there.
Oh, cool.
Cut.
Oh my god, I'm scared it's gonna bite me. They don't bite?
They're chill, they're chill.
They wouldn't let you touch them.
Okay, I'm gonna pull out that fish. I'm gonna do it.
No, Sam.
I'm going for it.
Dude, that's poop, dude.
Oh, what? Are you serious? It is? That's poop?
Yeah.
That's not poop, dude. It doesn't smell like poop, man. It's totally not poop.
Using a gentle two-finger touch, just 2 fingers side by side.
What's the hammerhead?
Which 2 fingers do I use?
In groups, but since they're still babies, we want
She's
to
not specifying which 2 fingers.
Oh my god, they're so
just use
cute.
2 fingers side by side to touch those sharks.
Not just hammer again.
In the smaller lagoon next to
Oh my
me,
god, I
there's
wanted
a
one.
tree in the middle that is a main
I want the mini
purpose
hammerhead.
and can live in salt water. Those are
Here we have the very elusive penguin.
The California
California penguin. They like to eat fish, to my knowledge. And they're also very cool. This has been a National Geographic presentation. Here we have the very elusive California flat whale. I also think they're really cool.
The rays. There's rays over there.
Oh, get it, get it, get it. I'm gonna send this film to Animal Planet.
Get me out of here. They're bad. These guys are mean. Get me out. Oh, don't it? Oh, yeah, tackle them on land. Oh my god, how sick would that be if they fall on the land? Weird. We see them fighting.
I'm capturing some wildlife moments right now.
Looks scary.
I'm sending this to National Geographic.
Yeah, well, that would jump on the land and they all
Yeah, it's like a wriggly mustache.
I think that's a female.
I think he's done.
How big was the one that we... That was probably about the size of the one that we came up on, huh?
That's rude, Andrew.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's going in. Oh, he's going to get him. Oh, there they go.
Get on his rock.
They're turning up down there.
Think of if you were
This is a big one.
I'd be like, God, look at
Oh, sorry.
I think it's like more.
watch them eat. So, look at that guy.
Oh my god.
It's like little, like...
They're eating. Look, that's so cute. They're looking for food.
They're so cute.
like going up.
Kawaii.
Oh, those are
Look at that one down there.
These are my favorite.
Whoa, what is that? Oh no, that's not a. Zach, let's go.
It's like popped out of the rock.
Can you have one of these as bait? Like, do they just stay in that one spot of sand? They never can move out of there.
There's a little.
Zachary. Let's go. What'd you say, Steve?
There's a little magnifying glass.
Yeah, but like, can they move from their spot, or are they like confined to that?
I'm pretty sure they can move.
Square centimeters.
They're just like.
Look at how high up they go. Did you see that? Look at how high. Oh, that one's like. Yeah. Oh. Looks like he like spat at that guy. Yeah, he's upset.
Look at them, man.
Watch that little fish.
Oh, they look like fleas.
Yeah. Yeah.
Come look.
What is that?
Little krill.
That's really cool. So where are they? They're krill? Where are they, Joe?
They're baby prawn.
Oh, yeah.
You saw that last time, John? Look at this one over here, boy.
It's just a venom. Oh, okay. But I doubt these actually extinct because what would happen in a regular jellyfish or in jellyfish lab, they steam you. What do you think about steam?
Okay.
Like, there's like special types of cells inside on their skin, or not really their skin, but
Wow, look how pretty that looks.
it's like data, like downloading or something. Like it opens, like the thing opens, and it's
continually downloading.
Yeah. And they inject the venom. That's what these things is. You know, it's like electric.
It's gonna be such a good nature film.
Or like some jellyfish, like there's like a touch lab that feels sticky. Oh yeah, it does look like a spider.
Oh, man.
Where? Oh, holy shit! Oh my god!
Another one of those spiny crabs.
Yeah, it's got 8 legs.
Whoa, there's another one.
Your fish that has 8 legs. I'd be like, wait, what? It's like one. Doesn't that look like a tongue? They should call them sea tongues. Oh yeah. See this? Oh my god. The pink thing? Okay, no, this is hurting my eyes. I can't do that. Doesn't it hurt your eyes? Like go close and then go far.
It's hurting your eyes. Why you keep doing it?
I don't know. Do you know what that is?
Yeah, that's a abalone.
Take your cracker, boy. Take your cracker. Another cracker.
I think she was.
Yeah, over there.
Whenever you see like sea urchins, like Catalina,
You can see how thick
the guy
that
with the dive knife, he cracks them open. He just feeds them to the fish that are nearby. They just like
Smell
scoop
like
down
this
on it.
thick.
Whoa, it's badass.
There's so many sea urchins.
Don't knock on the glass or you'll break your neck. Oh, look at that guy. Look at this.
It looks like a spoon.
Are they pink? Like this?
Probably.
It looks like...
Those are
No, it looks like a, what are those flowers?
Venus flyfish.
Yeah, it looks like a Venus flyfish. That's what they should... That's what they should call it. Look at it. Look at this guy.
And I'm here to tell you that.
So cool, you can see like the veins. Yeah, you can see the organs and stuff, yeah. Is that the heart? No,
Oh, like that. Something in there.
probably just a sea.
This is called Coolfish with red dot drop.
Oh, that's
Dang.
the one. That was the one, yeah.
He's got a great style.
Oh, where you going?
Oh, that was cool. Because of the toxin. Well, look at the stingray.
Yeah.
And off he goes into the distance.
Orange ones.